Anytime now. And the race is on. Remus from the outside. Tigerific. The Gusto King rushing out to grab the lead. It's now the Gusto King moving up. Starbucks Fancy. Tigerific. Remus. Reality Show by the Red Italia. Rushing up now or never. Number 1 Giant Wonder. Pivotal Charge Forward. Shining Crown. No Sweat. Rounding the far turn, the Gusto King, Starbucks Fancy, Tigerific, Remus from the outside, Reality Show on the outside, Italian Giant Wonder as they race the final corner. Starbucks Fancy, Tigerific, Remus on the further outside, Starbucks Fancy, and moving up is Reality Show, Tigerific on the further outside is Remus, and nearing the finish line, Remus from the outside, and finally, Aitan Choco on Remus, followed by Reality Show, Tigerific, Starbucks Fancy, 11A, the Gusto King, then comes Shining Crown,